so for today's video, I have a really quick tip on how to remove your lashes even quicker with the Ciao for Now. So it's been a long day. I'm about to take off my lashes and take a shower and then put on a new set. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but because I use a similar technique with the crystal coat, and that is to use one of these disposable doe foot applicators. So these are, like usually for like lip gloss, like this kind of applicator, but this one's a lot bigger, but it's this kind of applicator because it's lint free. So I wouldn't use a Q-tip for this tip or hack. It has to be a lint free one because you're going to be putting it on your lashes. So I've been doing this for like using one of these with the crystal coat to really get the lashes or the glue not sticky, because this brush doesn't really get at the base that well. Like it kind of does, but it's good for brushing through, but I don't really do that. I just want to tap this on the base where the glue actually is. So last week I tried using this with the Ciao for Now, and yeah, I don't know why I didn't think of it sooner, because I don't really like this applicator. Like this is not ideal for me. I kind of like tap it with this flat side, but I don't feel like it's getting really on there. Like, you have to do multiple coats. So like my favorite brush in all these products for, the remover, and this is the Lashify Crystal Coat, or no, Glass. It's called Glass, but it's the equivalent of Crystal Coat in the Lilac Street line. And this brush is amazing. So this is old. I don't use this anymore, but I do keep this around because I have never seen a brush like this, but this is so good. That little ball at the end really makes a difference when you're trying to apply it precisely just on the glue or wherever you want to put it, and this kind of mimics that. So I will do this my usual way, and then I'll do it with this one and see which one is more effective at applying the Ciao for Now. So usually you just take this and then I apply it to the top. Sorry, the mirror is far away. And I have to do it quite a few times to get enough of the oil product on the base of the lashes where the glue is. Because I don't really use the brush side at this point. Like the brush side is good if you want to brush it through to take the glue off. So I just take one of these applicators. This is a new one, it's clean. You can get this on Amazon. I bought these on Amazon. You can get it on Temu, it's really cheap. So I just kind of stick it in. It can go all the way, but I don't think it needs to. I kind of put it in, depending on what brand you use, and I kind of tip it over because it's really stuck in there. And apply it directly to the glue part. So I'll probably do like 2 coats. So just tipping it over. It's a liquidy product, so but last week when I did this, it was so much more effective because this one, it's on the Ciao for Now is on there, but it could be missing spots because of the plastic applicator, or be putting too much in some spots. Like I think I got some on the bottom of my eye. So it's a little dirty. So I'm just gonna leave it on the side, and just in case I need to use it again. And I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes while I clean my other set of lashes. So I just wore the Novas the last time, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean these off so I can put them on afterwards. But yeah, see you guys in 5 minutes. Actually, before I go, I should show you how loose they are already. So this side was a little loose from the beginning, but I think it's already getting more loose than this side. So I'm kind of just pressing it, trying to separate the base from the lashes. So this one is pretty stuck on still, it needs time. This one is kind of getting looser more quickly, but I don't know. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's actually been 7 minutes because that's how long it took me to clean my little jar of old lashes. So let's check. Okay, yeah, these are ready to come off. This one was loose like already, but that came off super easy. So what made me think about how I can be better at removing my lashes is I guess person on YouTube asked me like, do lilac street lashes damage your natural lashes? And I would say no. Like my answer to her was, I would say no, but it really depends on how you remove your lashes. Like if you can wait and just let them slide off, then I don't think you really do any extra damage to your lashes. If you kind of rush and pull them off, like how I am guilty of doing a lot, like say it's like this, I will like kind of force it off a little. So this is the side that I did it just with the Ciao for Now brush, the plastic one. So some parts are really, you know, loose. So I just break them off and then put it in my little container. But other parts are kind of stuck on. This one is pretty loose right here. So like sometimes I'll rush it, right? So like this one is not quite ready to come off. Like it's not falling off by itself, like how this one fell off. So I was, you know, trying to explain like there are lashes that come off with it, but some of the ones that are stuck on there are ones that would have come off anyways. It just didn't get to fall off your face. It kind of got stuck in the glue. So yeah, if you are good about letting the remover work on its own without force, then I think you don't damage your own lashes unless you wear really heavy ones where it weighs down your lashes and I don't know, I guess put stress on it. But other than that, I don't know. So I was thinking, how can I be better at doing or removing my lashes? And yeah, it just occurred to me to try this. And I think it works a lot better. This is the second time I'm using this and this side really just kind of fell off. Not saying that this side doesn't work well, but if you do this like every week, then, you know, just to streamline the process, make it a little easier on yourself. Like, so it doesn't take as long. Like, because this one's not really ready, unless I kind of force it, I have to go in again with this brush and then kind of tap it on top or where the glue is again, because I think it just wasn't evenly dispersed, right? Because it's a plastic thing, like it's kind of hard to get it on there. Whereas this brush, if you have it wet and you put it on there, it's like a strip. So, gosh, just, sorry, it's in my eye. It's like gonna fall off. There, so that is what you want. You want it to just be falling off your eye. So yeah, it just takes a little bit longer. Like this one is not quite ready. Yeah, so now my makeup's really messed up. After this, I will go in with my Lashify or any kind of like eye makeup remover and remove the rest of my makeup. But I just wanted to come on here and share that because these are really handy. Also, like I said before, I use this pretty often, like almost every time with the crystal coat to take away the stickiness, especially if I'm gonna put my lashes back on and if I'm gonna go and put makeup on, or if it's bothering me, like when it's a little bit sticky, I will use this and this with this. And this is the same thing. It doesn't go in all the way. I'm not gonna put it in because this one's dirty. It kind of just gets stuck right here. You turn it over and as long as it's pretty tight in there, it doesn't spill out. Say you buy this like on a different brand and it's skinnier, you can just stick it right in. So highly recommend. I'll link some of these doe foot applicators that you can get on Amazon down below. Or another one is Temu. They sell a lot of these kind of things for super cheap. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. And if you have any other suggestions, yeah, feel free to share down below and I'll see you in my next video.